guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So I just got my little monthly Ipsy Glambag. This is the January Glambag and we're in February, so finally I've been waiting for this for so long. I'm really excited for this one, so I thought that I'd kind of share with you guys what I got, and you know, it's all a first impression so you can have an idea of what to expect when you order with Ipsy, and you know, kind of just maybe put you guys on some new products if you guys are looking for any items in particular. So I'm already excited enough, so let's just jump right into the video. So basically it's really simple. You pay $15 a month, and when you sign up with Ipsy you fill out a little quiz and they ask you a whole bunch of questions, you know, on what are your preferences in makeup, like what colors you prefer, what color is your eyes, what color is your hair, what's your hair texture, what's your skin texture, do you prefer like glosses over lipstick, do you prefer to have more skincare or less skincare, or like more skincare than makeup. They ask you, let's say for lipstick, do you like to get lipsticks a lot, like often, sometimes, or like rarely, you know? So it's basically like that it's formulated for all the questions, so that way they have like an idea of what to send you. And also every month you're allowed to choose one product out of all the 5 other products that they choose for you. So you get to choose one, and you know, at least you have something that you are looking forward to, that you know you're going to like. And on top of that, you're also able to, you know, like add stuff like I did to your glam bag. For example, you can choose like from the $3 category, the $12 category, or the $18 category, and you can add as many as you want. It's really up to you. And you know, sometimes it's worth to really look and see, because you can get some really good deals. And on top of that, apart from your glam bags, I believe you can also like shop their offers. Like sometimes they have like these bundles that are made for you already, like from different ranges of prices. They always have like really fun articles or like little ideas to give you with your makeup, sometimes when you're kind of in a rut or whatever, just like tricks on how to apply your makeup better or anything. So I think it's really worth it, honestly, and I really love it for discovering new products. It actually like takes the whole hassle away. That way I feel like sometimes when I go at Sephora or at the drugstore, you know, there's so many choices and I don't know what to take, and I don't feel like asking the sales lady or the makeup people, you know, to help me. So that way they kind of give me like a smaller selection, and it makes it that much easier. I mean, it's a really enjoyable experience for me. And on top of that, you know, when you subscribe to Ipsy, you don't have to get your subscription and pay the $15 every month. You can skip a month every now and then. Like you can get your glam bag every 2 months if you want and stuff like that. So it's really flexible. So this one's a bit bigger. I'm gonna have my 5 monthly items in there, but I also added like 2 items. First of all right, we're gonna start with a bang. All right, okay, first of all, let's just look at the little case. It comes in this little case, says Dream on it. It's see-through, it's matte, it's real cute. All right, I'm happy about that. I'm gonna open it up just to see the little card that gives me all the information about what I got. All right, so, oh, this one actually doesn't have the information. Really, if I want to see the information on all the items, I'm gonna have to go on my Ipsy account. But this one has my beauty resolutions for my sign, and I am, in case you didn't know, so Scorpio, my resolution for the year is to opt for something totally new. Dare we suggest pink? All right, it's not super new. I've been doing pink. I mean, you know, my eyes are kind of like greenish brown, so you know, pink is something that I've always gravitated towards because it just like suits me better than all the colors. So So like I said, we're going to start with a bang, something that I'm super excited about just because, you know, I want to kind of slow down the signs of aging, you know, and also since I've been breaking out a little bit around my chin recently, I thought it'd be a good idea if I went for the little micro needling tool. All right, that way I have micro needling in the comfort of my own home. All right, super excited for this. If I remember correctly, I think this normally retails at like $30, and with the Ipsy subscription, I spent only $12 on this. So I think it's a really good deal. It's Microneedle face roller system by Aura, and you know, let's see. It's pain-free with no side effects, can be used for numerous treatments on the face and body. Microneedle therapy is proven and used by dermatologists and estheticians. Manufactured with cutting-edge disc needle technology that produces the highest durability needles that remain effective over many treatments. Features 540 stainless steel needles with a 0.25 millimeter depth. Roller comes with a protective storage. Extremely fine needles gently penetrate the skin and stimulate collagen and elastin production, which helps to reduce in smoother, firmer and healthier skin and reduce the signs of aging. Helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, scars and stretch marks in the face and body, which is great, like I said, for my little, sometimes when you got like pimple scars or whatever, so that's what I'm trying to avoid. Helps smooth uneven skin and texture and color, helps increase in the absorption and penetration of skincare products, which is going to be super great with this month's Glambag because it's mostly skincare products that I got this month. When used on the head, the roller helps stimulate and maintain hair. That's great. That's really cool. So I can't wait to try all of this. I'm going to open it just to see. I've never seen one of these in person. I never got microneedled in my life, so super stoked about this. All right, we got the little instructions, and this is how it comes. It's in the plastic, but inside it's in so there it is. All right, as expected. I almost dropped it. All right, so yeah, these needles are very small. These needles are super small. I just rolled it on my arm, which is not a good idea because I didn't disinfect it yet, but anywho, I can see that this is gonna be like, it's not gonna be painful, so we love that. All right, so that's my first little baby. I guess I'm just gonna start with the two things that I paid extra for because they're the two things that are not already in the Glambag. They're like the full-size products. The second one is VITABRID C12 Dual Drop Serum. Age-defying and deep hydration. A blend of VITABRID CG, stabilized vitamin C and peptides, reduces signs of aging and brightens skin tone while providing deep hydration. All right, so this really helps. The little hand in the back, it actually helps focus for some reason. All right, so this is what it looks like. This is the box. Should I read everything? It's actually directions. Apply an appropriate amount to the face and neck. Gently tap into skin until it's well absorbed. So obviously I'm gonna do my little roller first, and then I'm going to put some of these drops in my face. I'm super excited about this, for real. So this is like a serum. Let's open it so I can show you guys. I believe this one is a full-size product because, as I think I already said before, in your Glambags you get sometimes like just deluxe samples, sometimes you get full size. So this one looks like pretty good size. It looks like these. All right, vitamin C is great. Honestly, I hear such good things about that, so I can't wait to try this. I was so due for skincare. I'm finishing all my creams right now, so now let's get into the items that Ipsy chose for me. based on my preferences, of course. First is the Formula 10.06 Thirst No More Moisturizer Fruit Complex and White Tea. I'm super down with this because I used to use the Formula 10.06 before as a face cleanser. I used to use the Best Face Forward, so now I got this. Quench your thirsty skin with this powerful moisturizer containing a natural complex combination of watermelon, lentil, and apple extracts. Hyaluronic acid delivers a second boost of moisture, while tea helps to maintain a fresh and radiant glow. Your skin will drink it in. I bet it will. So, okay, basically says how to apply it. I think we all know how to apply some moisturizer. So, that's that. Loving this. Next up is so this obviously, as you can see, it looks like it's a deluxe sample. Can we see what it is? Okay, this is by GOLDFADEN MD Problem Tired Eyes Solution Bright Eyes for Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. All right, so it's an eye cream. A good eye cream is always a great thing to have. All right, next up is a YC collection. Let Me First primer. So I got a primer. I think I get primers maybe in every second Glambag that I get, and this one is actually the biggest bottle that I got. So I mean, obviously this is not a huge bottle, it's not a full size, but you know, if you get a primer probably like every 2 months, then you know, I still have a lot of primers that I didn't go through at all, and now I got this one, so I think it's gonna last me for a long time. And you know, just hopefully that I'll like it. But I've tried by this brand. I have I'm actually wearing their translucent powder right now, which is really great. It looks good when my face is a little tanner, so hopefully I'll like this product also. But I'm just excited to try it. Very happy about this. And now the last item that I got is Kombucha and 11% AHA Exfoliation Power Toner, Elastic and Glycolic Black Tea Tree Bark Exfoliating Facial Toner, Tonique Exfoliant pour le visage. This is by Youth to the People. Youth to the People. I actually have something that I got by this brand a while ago, and it's an overnight mask, and I really like it. So once again, I'm super excited to try another one of their products. But yeah, back to the exfoliation power toner. It's pretty good form. It's not bad. We got a good quantity. I mean, you know, just to try it out, I feel like this is very nice. Can't wait to try this. I've actually never tried a chemical exfoliation, so I'm really down and excited to try it. I'm gonna hold on to the box. Let's see how this works for my ladies who've never done a chemical exfoliant. All right. This overnight liquid exfoliator is clinically proven to moisturize the appearance of pores in just 1 week with a properly blended or 8% lactic acid and 3% glycolic acid.
Kombucha, black tea, and tree bark ferments act as prebiotics to enhance the skin's natural microbiome.
How to use. At night, after cleansing, saturate a cotton around and sweep over clean, dry face and neck. Do not rinse off. Use 3 to 5 times a week, gradually working up to nightly use. You may experience brief tingling and redness. I'm pretty sure that I read somewhere about chemical exfoliants that when you start using those, you really need to wear sunscreen after, because you can really irritate your face. So gotta be careful, but you know, when you use it correctly, it can be really good. Oh, and we forgot something actually. I didn't even know that I had this. I completely forgot, but I got a little brush. I'm pretty happy with that because brushes are not really something that I go out of my way to buy, and I really should, because sometimes, you know, I'm running out of brushes, you know what I mean. So another brush in the collection, and I'm super down. All right, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I was really happy to share with you guys all the items that I got this month, and I honestly can't wait to try them. And who knows, maybe I'll give you guys a little review of these products that I got. But there you go. Now you have maybe a better understanding of how Ipsy works. And if you ever try it, then let me know what you thought about it. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. If you watch this video until the end, leave a pink heart so that I know that you watched it till the end and I know that you're a real one. But like I said, go subscribe if you want to see more videos, because I'll definitely be back soon with some more makeup, fashion, DIY, art, sewing, vlogs, you know, that type of content. So if that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and subscribe, and I'm gonna leave my social media links down below. And until next time, you guys, have a good day, have a good week, whatever it is. Take care and see you later. Bye.